Okay, so this is round 2. It's coming towards our area. Everybody south and west of us, like Columbia, Atlanta, are just getting hammered with ice from what I'm reading and hearing about. Hasn't made it to Rock Hill or Charlotte yet, but it will. We'll go to the live radar next. Yeah. And there you go. Big old swath. Thunderstorms, rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain. One big mixture of mess. Well, we'll see in a couple hours once it gets to my locale what's gonna happen. Because it sounds like by lunchtime and after it's gonna start getting bad here. Oh look, it's Bonix. What are you doing? Getting ready to eat some vittles? Yeah, you got a little smorgasbord down there of veggies and tortillas. A little bit of rabbit food, not much. But yeah, nothing's happening yet. It's the calm before the storm. But that direction, that's where it's coming from. So, alright, we'll see it when it gets here, I guess. Well, there's a cute shot. Bonix and her new friend, mallard duck. Is that your buddy, Bonix? Oh yeah, so it's begun. Snowmageddon, snowpocalypse, whatever. I'm prepared. Look, I even got my Blizzard of 77 shirt on from Buffalo, New York, because I was there. I was like 7, 8 years old, living in a suburb of Tonawanda, and you want to see an interesting photo, do a Google search of that, of the Blizzard of 77 and you know, the suburb of Tonawanda there, where houses were buried. That's what I remember. Feet of snow. So, you know, getting inches of snow, no big deal. You know, I've seen a lot worse than this, and I'm sure it's going to get bad later today, but still. But yeah, another piece of history. Almost 10 years ago, almost to the week. I think actually next week is when it would be the full 10 years, but we had 18 inches of snow here. You can look that up on my videos because it's there. 2-part video of that huge storm that was grossly underestimated. They were expecting 6 inches out of that. No, we got 18, and I think Charlotte got 13. So yeah, we were paralyzed for like, you know, a long time, for several days. Then it got to 60 degrees, I think, like 3 days afterwards, and everything just melted big time. So, all right, enough of rambling. We'll wait and see what happens here. Yep, it's begun in the front. It's sticking to the roads. Oh yeah, this is going to be interesting, to say the least. Oh, I guess I've been out here a little too long. My hair is frozen. It's frozen solid. Oops. Yeah, I'm just going through one of those phases. I'll get it cut eventually, but no idea when. Snow. What fun. Now let me get inside before I turn into the abominable snowman here. Oh yeah, it's increasing. Planes are still flying, I hear them. We'll see how long that lasts, because they're estimating snow to be falling at about 1 inch an hour. Not far from here. So, and it's 27 degrees, so obviously nothing's gonna melt. So, yeah. It's getting impressive rather quickly. And Bonix doesn't seem to mind. I think she actually enjoys it a little bit. What do you think, Bonix? What is it? Yep, so it's beginning. Got enough snow, packing the road, cars are sliding. Oh yeah, big time. Alright, just a radar update. The blue is snow, the pink is our freezing rain, and yeah, it's getting close to us. That's our big concern right now, with the snow already piled up on the branches, and then the freezing rain will just freeze over it, add more weight. But, yay. Big time event here. Look. The goofs are out. Look, you can tell. They're driving now, but you just wait. Yeah, there you go. Drive normal speed down the road. Yeah, this stuff is just getting packed down. It's just a matter of time, and we'll be seeing some slipping and the sliding. Well, good to see FedEx is still out. Gotta get those packages delivered. Here come a couple goofs up the road. Got a running start. Oh yeah, we're packing nicely now. We've already added another inch to our snow. Look, you can tell. Man. It's getting breezy out here too, so fun times. Oh, lovely, lovely weather. Well, it's still coming down. It's actually increasing in intensity here. People still on the roads. This is going to be fun. So, yeah, there's more coming out of the south. Heavier bands. Could be a chance of thunder snow. Haven't seen that well, since 2004 from the 18 inches. Could be fun. Right now I think we're still seeing about an inch an hour. We're close to 4, maybe 5 inches. And still falling. 26 degrees. But yeah, we start getting those heavier bands, we could be seeing 2 to 3 inches an hour coming pretty soon. So icicles galore. Yeehaw. Oh, lovely. More snow. Yeah, we're still packing it in here. 25 degrees now. We're continuing to drop. Winds are picking up. And the freezing rain is getting closer. But, 25 degrees, I think that'll just turn to sleet. And that'd be a lot better than freezing rain. Freezing on contact. Bringing these big monsters down, because holy crap. We don't need that. And goofs are still on the streets. I guess going downhill is not a big deal. I'm waiting to see how they do coming uphill, because it is still packing quite nicely. Look, there's an idiot leaving. And of course, yeah, he's spinning. Nice job. No, let's just go out and be a hazard on the road, shall we? Cab service, I'm sure, is busy. Yeah. Let's see here. Well, been some people out walking. There's some goofs in the street, apparently trying to sled or ski. This isn't the Olympics. So, yeah. We're glazed over pretty good here, so I think it's a matter of time. We're going to start seeing some fun with cars slipping and sliding. And another side note, yeah, like I said, 10 years ago, actually the date was February 26 and 27 of 2004. We had 18 inches of snow here. And now we're hearing reports that epic snow could be falling near here in similar amounts. We're hearing reports anywhere from 10 to possibly 15 inches now. Well, we'll see. And and that'd be something if we could top 18 inches. Don't know if that'll happen, but yeah, we'll see. Oh, I see some little tracks here. There's Bonix. Dun-dun-dun. Loving the snow. She's making a bathroom over here apparently because there's all sorts of pellets being formed. She can't go in the yard because of all the snow. Well, yeah, this will be an interesting experiment. Yeah, don't worry. Bonix has been outside pretty much all her life. She's seen snow a couple of times. I think this will be the most amount of snow that she's going to see, but, you know, we follow the tracks here just for curiosity's sake. Let's see. All right, out there, over there. Yep, here they are, under the shed. So she's made herself a home under here. I think she'll be just fine. Oh, snow and wind. Lovely, lovely weather. What are you doing, Bonix? You making a Picasso? Yeah, I think you are. It's about the only bare piece of ground we got over here. So, and as the snow continues to fall, it's covering up things. I'm just tracking it in the house, so I'm going to try to shovel a pathway so I have a clear way in and not drag so much snow in the house, because the wife's getting on my case about that. Not much I can do, you know. I'm just a big kid. Yeah, I think that'll work for now. I have to come out another couple of hours. Do it again. And I better get the front porch a little bit as well. I'm dragging it in from both directions here. Yeah, that'll suffice. I won't worry about the rest here. But, yeah, get an idea. It's about 5 inches of snow, looks like. More to come. Alright, the pink is getting closer. It's not good. Still have nothing but snow, and hoping it stays that way. It's still at 25 degrees. Oh, fun times. Yeah, we're not getting too far from the pink. Right now we're getting heavier snow. Yeah, looks like I didn't even touch this stuff. Man, yeah, these are big flakes now. We got the heavier bands moving in. Lovely. Where are we at now? Yeah, we're probably closing in on 6 inches. Wow. There's some goofs. More goofs. Okay. It's now officially, oh yeah, it's changed over to sleet. You hear that? Very little to see. The snow, the band has reached us now where it is now sleet. Oh, and it's stinging too. Holy crap. Yeah. So now we're looking at a mix of sleet and snow. And you know, so long as it doesn't turn to freezing rain, we may be okay. But, wow. Yeah, so far though, we've got, well, I don't know, 6 inches? Yeah, about 6 inches. And yeah, now you can kind of see it bouncing here. That sleet. Lovely. So that's just going to make things even more fun on the street. All the tracks and everything are getting covered over. Alrighty then. Oh yeah, still sleeting here. A few flakes mixed in, but mostly sleet. Ah. Yeah, you kind of sort of see them bouncing. Huh. Yeah. Yes, we got probably about 6 inches here. It's probably about right. Still expecting more. You know, again, depending on the sleet, snow band, and all that. So, but amazing, it's not sticking to the trees. It's just sticking to the ground. So maybe these trees will survive as long as it doesn't turn to freezing rain. Oh look, the snow is back. Yay! It's a mix of snow and sleet now. So the accumulation will continue. There goes a dumbass. Let me just wreck my truck. What a goof. Another one on the road, why not? Oh yeah, the big flakes are back now. So we might be getting into another intense snow band. Oh yeah, wind's starting to pick up. Big flakes are falling. Lovely. Yeah, strong northeasterly wind now. Oh yeah. We're still showing a mix of snow and sleet. Heavy snow's dissipating. Looks like it's going back to sleet again. As long as we don't get freezing rain. Oh good, we got the goofs on the street now. Back to sleet again. No snow. Well, that was boring. Let's get some real action, like some goofs getting stuck on the street. Good, music cranking and all. Whatever. I don't know if you can see them, probably not. We still got all sleet, which is great. Rather have snow. At least we don't have freezing rain, but there is a chance of it. It's 24 degrees now. The temperature continues to fall. Another update. We're still in the midst of things. Sleet, snow mix. There's all sorts of traffic issues. I'm hearing in the news, mostly in Charlotte. On-ramps, off-ramps, people getting stuck. Looks like we might have our own case of Atlanta like they had 2 weeks ago. But yeah, we're still getting a good bit here. Right now, the accumulation, we're still holding at about 6 inches. It's just small stuff and sleet falling for the most part, so I don't know. Still got more tonight and tomorrow, so I don't know. We'll see if we get any more, or how much more we get, I should say. The snow's back. A lot of it. Ooh, boy. Breezy, 24 degrees. Wow. And amazingly, there is nobody getting stuck on this hill yet. I mean, that's surprising me. Wow. Yeah. I mean, there's cars coming down, up and down and all that, but I don't know. I think it's just a matter of time. Yeah, plenty of snow on the sidewalk, that's for sure. Ooh, wow. Fun. Yeah, so I'm hearing reports of people that actually were told to come into work up in Charlotte, and that's part of the problem. That's your brain dead management for you. Oh, come on in, it's not that bad. And now it's getting so bad up around Charlotte, you'll probably hear about it in the news, that it's turning into a major bottleneck, bumper to bumper. Cars are getting stuck, all that mess because of the storm. So, yeah, this is turning into a big issue. Not around here from what I can tell, but up in Charlotte. So, oh good, we got a redneck in his 4x4 boy. Wow, doesn't even look like I've been out here. All my footprints are covered up. Yeah, we're back to sleet again. Ah, man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Snow and sleet mix, so yeah, we're not done. This is probably gonna continue on for a while. May actually have to break this video up a little bit because I'm just recording non-stop, it seems like. I didn't realize how much video I had. I'm having too much fun. Oh, man. Well, at least a good thing. Not too much seems to be accumulating on the gazebo, but I'm going to have to keep an eye on it. Yep, sleet's bouncing. You can see that. So, still no freezing rain, which that's probably the biggest positive here, so good deal. Yeah, we're back to all sleet again, so this is just going back and forth. We're getting close to a bit of a lull in this system as it's getting ready to shift. So I might just go ahead and wrap up this video of part 1 and continue part 2. Again, while we still have power, I want to go ahead and just upload this one, and in the event the power goes out, then I'll just get The rest uploaded after the fact, so we'll see. But yeah, Charlotte's becoming a mess right now. Looks like it's turning into Atlanta, and I'm seeing reports of, you know, people making posts, oh, you didn't learn from Atlanta 2 weeks ago. Well, you know, yeah, we did, but you deal with, again, managers and bosses that don't use common sense. Oh, it wasn't doing much this morning, which it wasn't. Now these people are stuck trying to get home, and it's becoming a serious issue now in Charlotte. So I'm here, and we're ready, but yeah. Continue on to part 2 here. Once I get it uploaded, you know, hopefully we'll have power. But right now, all indications are there's a 50-50 shot we may lose power this evening because of the upcoming possible ice storm. So we shall see. Stay tuned.